Hello dear students, welcome to our channel Math Study. We are making today's video to make you aware about the notification which has been issued by CBSE on 1st of May 2021. As we all know, CBSE has cancelled their exams, their standard 10th exams, and the whole evaluation or the assessment of the students will be there according to the marks provided by the school. Now the whole procedure is of 100 marks for each subject. As we all know, there is an internal assessment of 20 marks and theory of 80 marks. Now the marks of internal assessment, it means the 20 marks are already been sent by the school. They are already uploaded. So there is a question of 80 marks. How the whole process or how those 80 marks will be allotted to the students. This video is not important for CBSE students, but also it is important for the state board students also, because we know that many of the state boards, they follow the procedure of the CBSE. So let's begin. Now the question arises, how those 80 marks will be given. First of all, we will see how board has distributed those 80 marks, which parts are there, or what will be the allocation of those 80 marks. First of all, the unit tests which are given by the students, for those unit tests 10 marks are allotted. After that, for half yearly exams or the exams which we have taken half yearly or after 6 months, midterm examinations, for those examinations 30 marks are given. And the exams which you have given before your board exam, or what you call pre-board exam, at some places some people call it as a prelims or common test, whatever it is, it has a 40 marks. So in this way you got 40, 30 plus 10 is equals to 80 marks. Your performance in these three steps, unit test, your half yearly exam and your prelim exam, your performance will be assessed in these three steps and the final marks will be given as per this performance. So this is the whole mathematics about the 80 mark. Now the question arises in your mind that if more than one exam has been taken by the school, for example, as we have said earlier, your performance in the unit test will be counted. But if you have given 2 or more unit tests, then what will happen? If your school is very curious and they have taken more than 2 or 3 exams in all the 3 categories, it may be half yearly exam, unit test or pre-board exams. In some schools, we have seen that many of the schools have taken 2 or 3 rounds of the pre-board exam just for your sake, for your practice. In those cases, what will be the procedure? Friends, procedure is very easy. Board has said that those schools who have taken more than one exam or more than 2 exams, they have to keep an average of all the exams, or an option has been given, they may take or they may choose the marks scored, the highest marks scored by the students. So in any case you are not going to have any loss, okay, but your performance will be counted. Friends, in this notification some instructions were given to schools also, how they are going to assess, how the committee has been formed, and it is not directly concerned with the students. That's why we are not discussing those points here. But there may be one point, there may be one issue which I think I should discuss with you. The issue is, if any student is not satisfied by the marks given by the school, okay, for example, for your internal assessment or by assessing you got a result of 60 marks or 70 marks, but you wish that it could be more, it could be 80 or 90. If you want to give the exam, then there is an arrangement, but that process will be delayed, okay, it will be late. Board said that if the students are not satisfied with the marks given by this procedure, then those students will be given an opportunity to give the exam offline, but when such a type of favorable conditions are there, it means you are not going to get an opportunity after the result. You will have to give the exam as per the conditions of the COVID. When it gets lowered, at that time you are going to get the opportunity. Okay, so in this way the whole process will be there. I hope everybody have understood now. If you have any question, you may ask me in the comment section. Okay, and please like, subscribe and share this video among your friends also. Okay, till then, have a good day. Wear mask, sanitize yourself and keep social